Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to turn off contact suggestions on TikTok and stop TikTok from recommending your account to people in your contacts or Facebook friends. First, open your App Store or Google Play Store and make sure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. Once the app is updated, open TikTok and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. After that, scroll down until you find Contacts and Location and tap on it. Here you will see options related to syncing contacts and suggesting your account to others. Simply turn off the option for contacts and also disable Facebook Friends if it is enabled. Once these settings are turned off, TikTok will stop using your contacts and Facebook friends to recommend your account. And that's it! You've successfully turned off contact suggestions on TikTok. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful TikTok tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.